Hello friends, how are you? Myself Ritesh Vivare. I am working as assistant professor in Sweris College of Pharmacy, Pandharpur. So today we will see Claisen-Smith's condensation. What is that? Claisen-Smith's condensation. Before that, I will explain. I have already written reaction and its mechanism to save our time of the video. So what is our intention? To catch the concept behind this Claisen-Smith's condensation. So let's see what is the Claisen-Smith condensation. So reaction, what is the reaction? Benzaldehyde react with acetone in presence of NaOH to form benzyl acetone. So as you are seeing here, benzaldehyde, that is, if you are seeing alpha hydrogen, what is alpha hydrogen? See, alpha hydrogen is attached to the alpha carbon. So what is alpha carbon? Suppose your structure is acetone. So this is your functional group CO in the carbonyl compound. So here this hydrogen and these hydrogens are called as alpha hydrogen. Why? Because this carbon and this carbon is alpha carbon to this carbonyl group. So this is alpha hydrogen, this is also alpha hydrogen. So aromatic carbonyl compound react with aliphatic carbonyl compound such as acetone. Aromatic carbonyl compound react with aliphatic carbonyl compound in presence of sodium hydroxide to form benzyl acetone. So see, aromatic carbonyl compound, there is a requirement of aromatic carbonyl compound which does not contain अल्फा हाइड्रोजन. अल्फा हाइड्रोजन दिखाई दे रहा है क्या इधर? अल्फा कार्बन ही नहीं है तो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन की तो बात दूर की है. तो इधर अल्फा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है. सो अल्फा हाइड्रोजन इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस बेंजालियड और एरोमेटिक कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड. बट another condition is exact opposite to that. Here alpha hydrogen is must. Without alpha hydrogen we cannot proceed. So let's see. One does not contain alpha hydrogen, one contain alpha hydrogen. One is aromatic carbonyl compound including aldehyde and ketone. Another is aliphatic carbonyl compound which contains aldehyde or ketone. So in presence of NaOH it will give benzyl acetone. So what is the reaction mechanism we will see in this structure. What is the mechanism behind that? So just write the structure of acetone. This is acetone. So anyone can tell or anyone ask question, which is this H or why you have written in this way. So this is your alpha hydrogen. You can also show this alpha hydrogen in this way. Hydrogen, hydrogen. This is all three are the alpha hydrogen. So no need. Just I have written in this way one alpha hydrogen because this alpha hydrogen will react with this OH minus. So OH minus comes from NaOH. All of you are knowing NaOH is getting dissociated in the form of Na plus and OH minus. So H2O is getting removed from this reaction. So further, once when this hydrogen is getting eliminated from this acetone, enolate ion is getting formed. So over this carbon negative charge will be observed after this removal of water. So this enolate ion will react further aromatic carbonyl compound. So aromatic carbonyl compound we have taken is benzyl benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde I have written in another form, that is C double bond O. So we can also write this as a C double bond OH. So what will be happening here? Due to greater electronegativity of oxygen, they will attract electron towards itself. So it will be bearing negative charge and this carbon will bearing positive charge. So just I have written directly as a oxygen contain negative charge, carbon contain positive charge. So here in the further reaction, this is negative and this is positive. So positive and negative, they are attracting towards each other. All of you are knowing. So this negatively charged enolate ion will attract towards this carbocation, that is positively charged carbon. So what will be the further structure? Just I have written C6H5 in place of aromatic ring due to less space available here over this board. So I have written C6CH5, then this carbon, this hydrogen, oxygen. So I have not done anything, just written in this way. So further over this carbon positively charged ion, this enolate ion will sit over this carbon. So this CH2 C double bond O CH3. So this will be the same structure. So further we will got this structure. So further what will happen? Hydrogen ion comes in the picture. So hydrogen ion or hydrogen that will react with H plus, react with this O minus, that is getting formed in the form of OH minus. So H plus react with this O minus to form a OH. So what will be the further structure? Let's write this C6H5 CH. This is the H plus which comes from this reaction and react with this O to form OH, then CH2, then C double bond O, then CH3, same as it is. So this is our aldol. So how it will be aldol? One, all of you are knowing OH, that is alcohol, and another one, this is aldehyde, or we can say aldol, that is aldol. So further this aldol is getting condensed. So all of you are knowing condensation means removal of water molecule. So aldol is getting condensed. So I have written in this way C6CHOH, then CH2 is rearranged in this way, 1H below and above 1H, then C double bond O CH3, same as it is. So here H and OH, they are nearby members, and one is positive and one is negative. How they will remain as it is? They will attract to each other and removal of water molecule takes place here also. So further what will be the structure? C6CH5, this is your aromatic ring, CH, C double bond O CH3. So here we will got a double bond due to the valency of this carbon. So finally we will get benzyl acetone. So benzyl acetone we will get finally. So this is Claisen ischemic condensation. So इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन सब अलग अलग अपने अपने हिसाबों से कर लेते हैं. तो चलिए जस्ट फटाफट 2 मिनट में इसका ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज दिस Claisen-Schmidt condensation? Who will give? Aromatic carbonyl compound. Aromatic carbonyl compound which does not contain alpha hydrogen. So and along with aromatic carbonyl compound which does not contain alpha hydrogen, and this will react with aliphatic carbonyl compound which contain or which must contain alpha hydrogen. So in presence of NaOH to form benzyl acetone. So this is our reaction. So what is the mechanism? So this is acetone react with NaOH. Here in the first step, removal of water molecule, then formation of enolate ion, then enolate ion will react with your benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, they will forming positive and negative charge. So this positive negative charge getting attracted towards each other. So hydrogen comes in the reaction, they will attack over this O minus, formation of OH minus, OH takes place. So further we will get aldol, that is alcohol and aldehyde. So condensation of that aldol, condensation means removal of water molecule. So further in the next step, water molecule is getting removed and finally we will get benzyl acetone. This is our Claisen-Schmidt condensation or Claisen